Calm down. Hey, stop!
Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing, Coop?
Running on these bubbles.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm coming around.
Alright, that looks like fun.
Hey, get out. This sure does.
Alright.
You can come back and come other ways.
Oh, really? Where'd you get those bubbles?
From Middleton came.
Did Aunt Margie send those to you?
Yeah.
Say thanks, Aunt Margie.
Thanks, Aunt Marty.
Alright, bye. Say bye.